Good morning, students. Today we have to discuss module number 2, that is work and heat. Okay. The first module studied that fundamental concepts, all things. Okay. What is system, surroundings, intensive property, extensive property, how we have to measure the temperature, all things we have studied. Now, in module number 2, to discuss that work and heat. Okay. First, we discuss one by one what is work, what is displacement work, what the work in various process. That various process means PDV diagram, pressure and volume diagram. That 5 to 6 processes are there. Okay, that are important. After that, heat. Okay, these are the concept. Okay, first work. Just remember that, all of you know that work means what? The energy transferred when an object is moved against a force. Okay, how much amount of energy transferred for moving a body, or here force acting through a displacement, W equal to F into D. How much amount of force apply when a body can be displaced. Okay, suppose when a body is rest, I want to apply force on it. By applying force, work can be done. Okay, on a body. The work can be done on a body or by the body. Okay, we have studied afterwards. That is, sign conventions are there. Okay, just remember that work means force acting through a displacement, means how much amount of force you have to apply when body can be moved. In general, W equal to what? The formula is F into D. F means force, D should be distance. Okay, W means work, means remember that unit should be in joule. Okay, and force unit already know that Newton. Distance, D should be distance in meter. This is work should be in mechanic. When you have to study in the thermodynamic, means what a thermodynamic definition of work means. See, it is important that in exam define thermodynamic definition of work. Okay, for that, work is said to be done by the system if the sole effect external to the system could be rising of the weight. Okay, that what is that exact meaning means, when you have to work can be done by the system. Okay, whatever the external effect is there, that sole effect that could be rising of the weight. Here we have this definition can be explained by considering the example. Listen here. This is in general, that is a work. This example you have to study afterwards. This is in general, that the work means capacity here. These are the mans the work can be doing. Okay, that means force acting here. This man can take a spanner. By applying this force, he will travel. This also, see here, one worker doing the work and one worker on the PC. Okay, these are the example of the work. The definition of work is here. See here, thermodynamic definition of work explanation. Listen here. Why you have to call that this definitions here? Definition means work is said to be done by the system if the sole effect external to the system could be rising of the weight. The definition is here. Listen here. Here, you know that what is the function of battery, motor, fan. You have to remember each function. Battery means stores energy and supplies when it requires. Motor means it consists of armature winding, it can be rotate, that is connected to fan. Just remember that here two sketches are there. In first sketch, remember one end of battery is connected to where? Motor. Motor other end is connected to fan. Okay, here battery and motor act as a system. What happened? Battery and motor act as a system. So figure A. In figure B, what happened? Same connection, battery, motor. Instead of fan, here we have to use pulley and weight. This is a pulley. After that, motor is there, that is pulley, and that with the weight. You have to explain first sketch, that is the A bit. Listen here. Consider battery and motor act as a system. Okay. All of you know that battery stores the energy When that energy transferred to the motor rotates. That motor rotates means that motor is connected to fan, means fan will rotates. Okay, means system doing the on to the surrounding. System is battery and motor. These systems doing the work on the surrounding. Okay, this is in general. Now, in the same sketch as B, what is change here? Instead of fan, we have to use pulley and weight. What happened here by seeing this sketch? Same here. Battery stores energy. Once battery stores energy, that energy is supplied to the motor. Motor rotates. Once motor rotates, what happened? Motor rotates means motor is connected to pulley. Motor rotates pulley means pulley also rotates. Once pulley rotates, what happened? Weights can tilt. Means weight can move up or down. Up. Okay, that should be increasing this motor. What happened? Once motor rotates, the pulley can rotates. Due to that, weights can move up. Okay, this is in general work done. It's the definition. Work is said to be done by the system if the sole effect external to the system could be rising of the weights here. This system is battery can motor. This can rising the weight. This is the meaning. Okay, this is in general. Okay, next that is this is a just explanation. Okay, whatever I explained here, whatever I explained, this is the in general explanation. That is let us consider the battery and the motor as a system. Already explained. The motor is in turn driving a fan, means motor drives the fan. Okay, when fan rotates, the system means already told that battery and motor is doing work upon the surrounding. This system, battery and motor, act as a system that can doing the work on the fan. Okay, next. Okay, this is the first sketch. Next sketch is in the B. What? When fan is replaced by a pulley. Okay, at the time what happened? Pulley and a weight. Okay, the weight may be, when fan is replaced by a pulley and a weight, the weight may be raised with the pulley which is driven by the motor. Because here we have to replace fan by the weight with the pulley. Okay, with the help of that can be driven by the motor. Thus energy from the system gets transferred to the surrounding. Means here system act as a motor and battery. Okay, that energy transferred to the surrounding. This is in general explanation with this sketch. This is the sketch. Related explanation is this one. Okay, and here in the last bit today's class, I will discuss that what are the sign convention for work and heat. This is important. That definition of heat we have to study afterwards. Just remember the sign convention. Just remember that. See here. Consider a system. System is enclosed and with the help of surroundings. Okay. See here. Arrow mark, work. Arrow mark is where towards system. Positive work. Positive W. Work from system outside, that is negative. Just remember that. Sign convention means what happen here? Work done by the system is positive. Just what sign convention means? When work is positive, when work is negative, you have to just say that. Means when work is done by the system is, we have to say that positive. Okay. Other side is what? Your work. When work is done on the system, we have to take that is negative. Okay, the in general work that sign convention. Just remember that work done by the system, positive, by the system, by positive means BP. Just remember that by positive, work done on the system on negative. Okay. Okay, next. Okay. Just next, that is heat. Heat same. See here that heat positive means entering, negative means leaving. Just remember that heat entering to the system is positive, heat leaving the system is negative. So in general, sign convention for work and heat. Just that what the work means by the system positive, work done by the system positive, on the system negative. Exactly reverse to that, heat entering into the system positive, leaving the system is negative. Okay, this is in general thermodynamics, that is the sign convention. Okay, today what you study, that is the definition, thermodynamic definition of work. Okay, and in general work, you know that. Next, thermodynamic definition of work, this is just example. Okay, yeah, this is a definition explanation. Remember that the okay, this is the explanation. This is the sign convention. Okay. I hope sight is clear.